Hi students, this is Sister Sheila. Now we are going to learn exercise 3.1, question number 6. Solve the equation x cube minus 9x square plus 14x plus 24 is equal to 0. If it is given that two of its roots are in the ratio 3:2. The solution, the roots are alpha, beta and gamma. Given that two of its roots are in the ratio 3:2. So we can take the roots as alpha is equal to 3k, beta is equal to 2k and the third root is a gamma. Here how we are getting 3k means the root is in the ratio is a 3. When you take this one as a actual root and we have to multiply this one by k, so we are getting 3k. The same thing here also we have to multiply with any one variable. Here we are taking the variable as a k. So if we multiply by k we are getting 2k. And that is the way we got the alpha is equal to 3k and beta is equal to 2k. And the third root we are taking as a gamma here. Now we will find sigma alpha, that is nothing but sum of all the roots. Alpha plus beta plus gamma is equal to, we know the value of alpha is 3k plus the value of beta is 2k plus gamma is equal to 9. Now if we add these two, 3k plus 2k, and we are getting 5k plus gamma is equal to 9. From here we are getting gamma is equal to 9 minus 5k. Next we are trying to find out sigma alpha beta, that is nothing but sum of the product of two roots at a time. So alpha beta plus beta gamma plus gamma alpha, that is equal to 14. Now we know all the values of alpha, beta and gamma. We are going to substitute. Alpha is 3k into beta is 2k plus beta is 2k into gamma is we found out. Here 9 minus 5k. That's what we are substituting here. 9 minus 5k plus here the gamma value is 9 minus 5k into alpha value is 3k is equal to 14. Now if we multiply and we are getting 6k square plus, and here 2k into 9 will become 18k and 2k into minus 5k will become minus 10k square plus 9 into 3k is 27k minus 5k into 3k is 15k square is equal to 14. From here if you collect the like terms and we are getting minus 19k square plus 45k minus 14 is equal to 0. Here this k square, that is the leading term, should not have the negative sign. So we are changing the sign of the whole equation. Now this is become plus 19k square minus 45k plus 14 is equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation. We are going to find out the factors for this one. Here the product is equal to 19 minus 14 and the sum is equal to minus 45. Now we have to find out the two numbers. The two numbers if we multiply we have to get this product. The same two numbers if we add we have to get minus 45. Now this is the way I am just trying to find out. 19 into 14, if we divide this one by 2, 19 we cannot divide by 2, we are bringing down as it is, and 14 if we divide by 2 it will become 7. Next we are dividing this one by 7. Again we cannot divide 19 by 7. So 19 will remain same into 7 divided by 7 remaining will be 1. Now I am taking the two numbers. 19 into 2 is a 38. That is one number. 7 into 1 is a 7. That is another number. We are coming to the equation. A 9k square minus 45k we can split and write minus 38k minus 7k plus 14 is equal to 0. Now we are going to take the common factors. For these two terms, the common factor is 19k. If you take it out, the remaining will be k minus 2. For these two terms, the common term is the minus 7. If you take it out, the remaining will be k minus 2 is equal to 0. Now again, we could see the common term is here for these two term is k minus 2. If we take it out, the k minus 2, the remaining term is 19k minus 7 is equal to 0. Now we are equaling with each factors with 0. K minus 2 is equal to 0. From here we are getting k value is equal to 2. The another factor is 19k minus 7 is equal to 0. This one if you simplify, and we are getting the k value is equal to 7 by 19. Since we have two values for k, and we can find out two sets of the roots. First we are taking the case 1. The value of k is, if the value of k is equal to 2. Now we are going to substitute the alpha is equal to 3k. Now this is equal to 3 into k value is 2 is equal to 6. And beta is equal to 2k, that is equal to 2 into 2 is equal to 4. Now gamma is equal to 9 minus 5k, it is equal to 9 minus 5 into 2 is equal to 9 minus 10 is equal to minus 1. Now this is one set of roots we got it. The roots are 6, 4 and minus 1. Case 2, we are taking the value of if k is equal to 7 by 19, and we are trying to find out another set of roots. Alpha is equal to 3k. If you substitute here 3 into k value is 7 by 19, the answer is here 21 by 19. Beta is equal to 2k is equal to 2 into the k value is 7 by 19 is equal to 14 by 19. The gamma is equal to 9 minus 5k, that is equal to 9 minus 5 into k value is 7 by 19, that is equal to, if you take the LCM, we are getting 9 into 19 minus 5 into 7 divided by 19 is equal to 171 minus 45 divided by 19 is equal to 136 divided by 19. The other sets of roots are 21 by 19, 14 by 19 and 136 by 19.